Hey guys, good morning, good morning. This is going to be really quick, really easy. Once you see the word dilated, don't forget dilation. Dilated means to go ahead. Dilated means to multiply. And if you look at this right here, it's going to be like 5, 6x and 5, 6y. So you're basically multiplying by 5, 6. If RS is 48, what is R prime S prime? So you basically get that. Whatever they give you, whatever it is, and multiply it by 5, 6. So you can go 5, 6 times 48. Get the calculator. I want you to turn on a regular calculator and go 5 over 6 times 48. That's what dilation means. So multiply by 48 and gives you 40. The answer is 40. Pretty easy, pretty darn easy. Okay, so here goes the perimeter of an equilateral triangle. So equilateral triangle means it's a triangle where the sides are all equal. I want you to name it X all the way around. Is equal to the perimeter of a rectangle. So you have a rectangle like this. So these two are equal. I'm going to go with this one as length and width. Just name one. So I know these sides are unknown, but they're all equal. These are length and width. The length of the rectangle, okay, so now we know the L is 6 more than the length of the side of a triangle. Since this one's that, we're going to go with the length is equal to X, which is one of these, 6 more, plus 6. So this is right here, length is equal to X for 6. The width is 5 units, so this one's just equal to 5. Which equation is the ratio between the triangles? Okay, so we're saying at the beginning that the equilateral triangle is equal to the perimeter. So the perimeter of this right here is 3 x's, and that's equal to, well, how do you get the perimeter of a rectangle? You add this, and you add this, but you have 2 of these and 2 of these, right? So I'm going to go with x plus 6. We have 2 of those, and we have 2 5s. Okay, this is messy right there. And 2 5s. All right, so see. This equals to 2x's. I see that 2x, and then we should have 12. Check that. We don't have 1 5, so it's out. 2x plus 6. I like that, but there's only 1 5. We need 2 5s out. This is just wrong, so it has to be this one. 2x plus 6. Good. And then 2 5s. Instead of writing 2 5s, we're a 10, which is 2 times 5. Check. Answer is D. That's a good question. That's a good question. Okay, so this next one is really easy to use. The dots right there is like a negative correlation, right? As the more this one increases, the temperature increases, then the number of students goes down. Or coats, right? Number of students have coats goes down. So this is pretty easy. You can skip through all of this. Actually, I'm going to go back and use this pen. And you're going to read down here 64 degrees. 64 degrees is, ooh, let's zoom in. How is this counted? By 60, 65, 70, 75. I cannot figure out how I count it. 60. Okay, between 60 and 75, between there, right? How much is that? 15. So half of 15 is what? 7.5. So this is 67.5. 67.5 is right in the middle. Okay, so then half of that would be 3.5, 3.75. So that's 63.75. So about here. So go up to about right here. Come around here. I'll say around 30. And between 20 and 30. Right? I'll say between 20 and 30. Okay, first off, it's saying less than 10, which is way down here. No. Between 20 and 30, I think so. That's about 20 and 30. I like that one. This one says between 10 and 20, around here. No, too low. And more than 30, like above here. I would say it's between. I'm going to go with 20 and 30. I use 2 triangles with a length segment of AC. Okay, so it's very important that you read this up here. DE goes with AB. DE goes with AB. So we're going to go with 24. I'm going to write that down. Let me just show you what I'm saying here. DEF goes with AB. BC. So DE goes with AB. So DE, AB. So 24 goes with 18. Then DF. DF is going to be the first and last, goes with AC. DF goes with AC. DF is 15, goes with AC. We'll put X, we don't know what it is. And this will be minus 3, 1. Okay? 24 over 18. So we go menu 3, 1. And I'm going to add the 2. Maybe it was 24. 18. And we'll 15 over X. We just double check the right numbers. 24 over 18, 15. 16, comma X. And 11.25. There's just no guessing. Pretty easy, straightforward. Okay, the triangle. Okay, the perimeter is straightforward. Okay, perimeter dilated to multiply. Let's go back. What would be the perimeter of the image? Okay, that's easy, guys. Just multiply by 2.5. So 70 times 2.5. 70 times 2.5. 175. 175. Multiplication, guys. Now, dilation means to multiply. Okay, what's the slope? This one containing the points. Okay, we're just going to pick the first 2 points. And that's it. Really easy. We're going to come out here. Go to add this in spreadsheet. 2, 1, 3, 5. 2, 1, 3, 5. 2, 1, 2, 1, 3, 5. And so I won't be lazy, I guess. 5, 13. And 5, 13. Menu 4, 1, 3. Slope, right? I think it's negative 4. Oh, it's just 4. How does that go so far? 4, just 4. Then if I got, let's see, division test. So basically get 2 points, right? I get 2 points in here. The points I would get are the ones I feel very comfortable with. That's a good point. Kind of iffy about that one. Oh, man. Okay, let me go with these two. The reason is because I look at this one, right? And I go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. And looks good. 1, 2, 3. Looks like you'll be back on it. So that's my slope already. Okay, my rise would be what? No, 3, so that's negative 2. Well, either way, I don't like that. You don't like that. Fine. We're going to do this in spreadsheet 24 and 3. That coordinate right there would be 0, negative 1. This one over here would be negative 2, 2. So negative 2, 2, 0, negative 1. Here, 0, negative 1. This would be negative 2 and 2. Right here, go to menu 4, 1, 3. B, control this left hand side, enter, enter. So this is my equation. Right here is negative 1/2 and 1. Okay, negative 1 we're good. So let's change that to a fraction. So we're going to go here, let's go to control C. We're going to control dot. We're going to add a counter. We're going to control V it. And then we go to menu 2, 2. And there's negative 3/2. So we're looking for a negative 3/2 and a negative 1. Negative 3/2. Right there's my answer. Pretty easy, guys. Make sure you know the tricks. You need to know this stuff. For this right here, we're going to go ahead and skip that one. I do not remember teaching out anything about this right here. Okay. Not proportional. Non-proportional. Okay, proportional means to go to the origin. Right? We're going to have y equals to mx plus b. But proportional means to not have this part, to not have that part. But what they're saying is for to make it not proportional, okay? So when it's not proportional, you're going to have that. You're going to have a plus or b. So basically two numbers. You can have an m and you can have a b. So look for one that has two numbers. Here's one. Here's one. There's the answer. Two numbers. That's the answer. That's easy. Sorry about that. Sorry, guys. I think so. Okay, sorry. Which graph? Oh, point 0.5. Okay, so I'm going to tell you this much. When you have the graphs and it's going straight to the corners like this, that's 1. Anything greater than that is what? Bigger than 1. So it can't be that one. This is negative, so it can't be that one. So it has to be this one here, which is 9s. And all I need to do is just get 2 points. So in every one, I'm going to have 0, 0. And I have for this one here, I'm going to have 2, 1, 2, 1. So I'm going to go to my calculator, 0, 0, and then 2, 1, and there it is. 0.5 is just so easy, cheesy. Okay, so this is pretty easy. When you see like a line like this, it's going like a positive slope, positive. Okay. Association, yeah, they're kind of lined up, so that's going to be easy. It's just super easy. Remember, it's like Mr. Slope. Positive, negative, undefined, and 0. And that's all she wrote. That's your review for today.